Hi guys, I'm Allyson Lewis, and I know you're excited that it's a new quarter. April has already hit. Isn't it crazy? You blink your eyes and we're 3 months into the new year, about to start the 4th. We're running a $10 sale, and I want to show you what I'm doing with my planner. So follow along and see why you're going to want to get your $10 planner. This is how I get started with the 7-Minute Life Daily Planner. You can see that the very first thing I do is put my name and the date. It's 4/1/2019. I want to take ownership of the new quarter. And the way you take ownership is to turn to the page where the quarter starts. And you're going to start by using your own pen to write in, okay, this is Monday. Today is 04/01/2019. And you're going to say to yourself, this is the first day of the quarter. So let's speed it up and let me show you what I do. Now you've seen what I do. It's the first of the quarter, and here's what's gonna happen. You're either gonna take ownership and plan out how you're gonna spend your quarter, or you're gonna blink your eyes and the quarter's gonna end. Now, take advantage of our $10 planner sale, and this quarter can be your best ever.